I want to start off right where the at the heart of the market's concerns here. I want to know if you share the inflation concerns that have been expressed by some in the market. We noticed that Chair Powell doesn't mention the word inflation in his testimony today. Does that mean it's not a concern?
I think we're wise to pay attention to those concerns and be vigilant about them. Having said that, my own base case is that we'll see a surge in prices this year. A lot of that'll be due to supply outages related to COVID, supply-demand issues, other issues, metals, semiconductors, wood products, and so on. But I do believe that a lot of those supply-demand issues will get worked out over the next year, and that's what I'm hearing from companies in those industries. And I still believe technology-enabled disruption is a powerful force, so that inflation in 2022 will settle down a bit, and we'll still be running at or a little bit above 2%. Now, having said that, that's a forecast, it's a base case, and I think we're wise at the Fed, and I intend to be very vigilant about it and be watching this very, very carefully.
How high might it go? Inflation, that is.
Well, for this year, I'm thinking that year-over-year inflation this year will be 2.25% to 2.5%. But you got to remember that's comparing this year to last year, and last year the base effects were such we had very low inflation. But I'm not looking for higher than 2.25%, 2.5%. If I saw something more than that, my first question would be, what's the cause of it? Is it something that's transitory, short term, or is it something more persistent? But right now, I'm still of the view that as we get beyond this year, inflation, just to remind your viewers, is not a one-time price surge. It's year after year price increases, and I think the jury's very much out as to whether we're going to see that. It's not my base case.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.